Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe? Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.